What's going on? DPS Outdoors back with another video. Today in this one we're heading up the Rainy River, doing a little bit of walleye fishing, a little bit of sturgeon fishing. We got the boys, me, Caiden, Lee, and Tate, and we're ready to go. We got the truck, Lee's boat. You guys have not seen this yet this year. Yeah, 20-foot land. It's gonna haul us all around. We were gonna head up this morning, but Lee's boat was dead, so we should be good now. Just got a jump pack just in case. But yeah, we are gonna get the boys in the truck, send it up to Rainy River. We're gonna do some walleye fishing, and it sounds like there's a bunch of people up there. Yeah, there's boats passing by right now, coming back. So yeah, hopefully we can have a good time and get on some fish for you guys. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm kind of excited. It's gonna be nice to hold a long rod for the first time this year. I know these boys are gonna be excited. Caiden's never caught a sturgeon either, so that'd be cool if we can get him on that. I think we're good to go now. We'll pick the camera up on the road and see you guys up the river.
Alrighty guys, we are currently rolled up at a gas station. We're gonna grab some snacks, case of water, anything, the essentials the boys need, maybe a few monsters or something to get us going. But yeah, we're pretty excited. We're gonna grab some stuff, hit the road. I'll see you guys up at the river. Alrighty, we're unorganized like usual. Yeah. Here we are at the landing. Typical.
Still not charged.
Battery pack's tweaking, and my boat's not charged.
So attempt number 2 in backing the boat into the water.
And hoping it starts.
Yep, tune.
Alright, so we had to put the trolling motor battery in there. I don't know, Lee said it wouldn't start the motor for some reason, but I knew it would.
I just said the battery, but just wait.
She's gonna go.
It's gonna go. Yup. Boom.
Oh, she's quiet.
Oh, I got a started boat.
Alright, you're unhooked.
Let her rip. You made it, buddy. Finally, dude. Finally. It's windy, but I'm ready.
Everything back here, we are ready. Yes, sir. We are gonna go pound some walleyes. We are going that way, down the river.
How far? Like
A few miles, almost the frontier. Then we're gonna troll upstream.
yeah, like I said, it's really windy out here, but we are finally on the water and ready to take off. So I think we'll pick the camera up when we are getting our lines wet. Alright guys, we made it out here, Rainy River. We're gonna get some chesties on us, a few GoPros. This is what I'm using today. I just got a blue and white jig with just a little paddle tail plastic on. But yeah, what are you using?
I'm gonna go to a 1/4 ounce. Try this Fire Tiger, kind of a pink and chartreuse. I'm gonna throw a little like natural color, kind of blue and gray paddle bait on there, and 1/4 ouncers.
And then I got just a VMC 1/4 ounce moon eye on there, neon with a shiner colored, I don't know, just a greasy looking plastic that's gonna catch us a Walter. Let's get some GoPros on and fishing.
Hooked up, what? First one of the day.
Set it down.
Just pounded it. Mid jig.
Oh, that's a big. Good.
I got him.
No net.
Hey!
There we go.
That is the first Rainy River walleye.
There we go.
On that moon eye.
Catch it with the big rod.
Feels good. 17 incher.
Good
Little eggs
first
coming
one.
out.
Good first one.
First spring walleye for me.
Hold up.
Oh, big swing and a miss for Tater. Big talent. Oh, he choked it. Is that a sauger? Yeah, it is.
Sweet.
Oh, Shank just got pounded.
Shank
Attaboy,
did just
Shank.
get clapped.
Decent.
There you go. Flip 'em in.
What you got here, buddy?
Nice walleye.
Hey, there we go. Had a kid. Let's get that release. Oh, attaboy.
Just drifting out here. Decent little walleye.
Let's go.
Everyone's caught one. Why did I reel it up so high? I'm used to ice fishing.
Shit. This next drift is gonna be money. Now we figured this out. Money. Who's got the chesty?
Not using it.
That's a sturgeon.
That's a sturge. Is that a sturge?
We're just sitting there. I don't know.
It's definitely a sturge.
One sec.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's moving.
definitely a sturgeon. It's way over here now. It's definitely a sturgeon. Oh, here we go.
Just
Wow.
cranked me. It's definitely a little guy. Dude, I don't know though, but we'll see. He's coming.
Is he actually coming out? Might not be that big. Hey, 40. Get him up.
Just gonna suck with a grip saw.
It's like lifting a log up.
Sturgeon fishing with walleye.
Dude, this might be decent.
It could be a big one.
Like that's heavy.
No, he's just a little one.
We got him in
It could be a lot.
No, dude. Oh yeah. Remember that? 4 in the morning, Tate hooked onto a log.
Try to lift him up some.
Dude, I can't.
Just keep him there. You're good. He'll tire out.
Come on, get up. No walleye since then? You guys slacking. Dude, we all would have had a Walter.
Catch the sturgeon. Come on now.
Dude, he cranked it though. I'm sure he snagged right in the side. Shank, you gotta get one.
Where's it going?
Out. Out that back.
Just lift them.
Yeah. Just lit. Oh! can't tell. He's coming up, boys.
No, he won't leave. He won't leave that far.
Can we chase him?
Oh, I can see
You
it.
can kind of see, like, yeah.
The dark.
Dude, he's trying to go. I'm just, oh, there he is. There's a little guy.
Oh, you tail. I got his tail.
He's got like a weird tail, dude.
They all do.
Aren't they usually filled out? It's at least 30.
Grab him.
Well, Sean will just reel him up.
It's a little guy.
Dude,
It's
you're not
nothing
putting enough
special.
bumpers on here.
But we're on Walleye rod, so it's a little harder to get him in.
We're out. We ran out.
I don't know how well you can hear with the wind. It's ripping out here. But yeah, rainy river 2024, and we're on. Alright, it should be up here pretty soon.
Pull around over.
Back up.
You're good. You're good. He's going out. Yeah, you just tail him.
Lifting. So
exciting.
small.
Oh, he doesn't even.
Yeah, that's what I said. He doesn't have a tail. He said his tail's weird, dude.
What the heck?
That's why I said his tail looks weird. This is nuts.
Oh, his tail's cut off.
Yeah.
That's cool. Hey, two.
He's got a lamprey.
How did it fight this hard?
They're heavy.
Oh, my God.
Hey! Look at that. Look at that lamprey.
There we go. This is
So
weird,
cool.
dude.
That's so.
Zoom in on that.
Look, yeah, another one right here. Look what they do. That's what they do.
There you go, Shannon.
Alright, boys. It's not a bad little first fish to start. Missed that walleye, but I'll take this. Look at his tail. His tail is literally like kind of cut off. So, I don't know, that's something I've never seen, but
Look at.
I'll hold them up.
it's a great fish.
I ain't touching that thing.
We'll get him back.
Look at that.
Look at those teeth.
Yeah,
Take some pictures.
grab my phone. We'll get this guy back. You were a good one. Let's go. Yup. Alright, let's get back to walleye fishing.
So you know, I got the first one back in the day. The guy who catches the first fish catches at least the end of the day.
I'm sorry, dude. Wrong hand. Wrong hand, dude. I felt the slack and I was like, uh-oh. Good. A little one. Crushed it.
You gonna catch one? Yeah, what are you doing there, buddy? 8 yards. Oh, yeah. Wow! Yep! Yep! Shoo! Come on now, we need some excitement in this boat.
Very big on length.
How do you catch a snake? A little
I've
one.
never seen a northern caught on rainy rivers.
No.
Not a dink.
No.
Hey, give me that.
Give it. All right, let's get a look and a
Oh,
little
hooked up
toss.
over. Hey, Sean, flip it over there real quick. Look at that. There's a walleye.
Bent in half in his lap.
I wasn't looking at all. Wasn't even jigging. Little guy. That's how you properly boat sturge.
No.
Good one?
Hooked up again. Not that time. I might have snagged him again actually. Feels weird. Wow, doubles. Daily doubles, eh?
Okay, Shane, source them on.
Come here. Doubles, baby.
Mine's pretty small, so it's going back.
You choked it. Not a bad one. It's a dog. It's a dog. Dude, Caiden literally thought this husky was a wolf. We need new camera batteries. Another decent one. Slip them in. Ah! Not giants, but we're getting some fish for you guys. We'll get them back. We're getting up there, maybe double digits, I don't know, but fishing's been pretty good. I know Lee's been slacking a little, Caiden's been in between, but yeah, we need to get a few more on the board, maybe a couple more sturgeon, so it's been pretty good so far. Caiden's about to hook in.
Hooked up on this sturge. Look at that.
I don't know, how's it feel?
Heavy. Like I ain't moving on.
We're good. Come on, follow this way. Caiden, follow right.
Yeah. Go to the back.
The front of the boat's just gonna, I gotta fight it.
sick fight. Like a dinosaur.
You're good.
There we go, first sturge.
Just come over the side.
We might
Money.
Go back up.
Sean's crushing.
Little Walleye.
Attaboy. Get out of there. I'm bone flipping.
Hey!
Another one, boys.
Shankin's hooked up again. Nicer one.
A little bit. Oh, get him out of there.
Show the camera, dude.
Here we go. Popped right out. Another decent one.
That was perfect. Greasy hook set. No! Why do they turn sideways so bad in the river?
The current. Hey, there we go. The wind is pounding.
Dude, this wind. Another one bites dust.
So let them know what just happened.
Just hooked up. Spot change. 2 minutes in the water.
Oh my God.
Tate misses one. Little walleye. Not bad. Right in the corner of the mouth. Another nice, perfect eater if we could keep them.
Caiden's got a little
Oh, this is a
slime
better
in it.
one. Feels a little heavier.
Hey! What do you know?
Hey, yo.
What do you know?
You know, just out here. Third one of the day for me. Sean's been hammering them up front. Keep telling Lee we should go on a little more so we can get some of the action. But yeah, nice little guy.
Holy! Look at that thing. He just.
Oh, that's gross.
Worms all over. Yuck.
It's a stick.
What do you got, bud?
He's got a stick.
That's
yes.
probably the biggest one of the day.
That has gotta be it. That's calm.
Holy
Dialed in.
Attaboy.
I probably snagged him for the 5th time. It's going sideways. Like a little dink that choked it. It's about an eater. Perfect little rainy walleyes. We're having a grand old time. Just jigging. They are choking it though. Every time I feel like they're just absolutely inhaling that bait. And they just don't want to let go. There you go. Come on. Get them back.
Bring out the old inner shank.
Saga.
But good fish, good fish. Good fish.
Oh my god.
One thing did not need to happen.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's not even bad.
Literally thought that was gonna come out like that, Shanky.
It's not even bad. Bring it over. I'm working on it.
Dude, you got a fish! Tate, you got a fish!
I know.
Tate, you got a fish!
Start heading.
Tate, you got a fish! You got a fish!
I got him.
Where's my fish?
No way. No, we got a big old mess going.
There's no way.
Absolutely
no way.
Hey, but guess what?
Catch him! What are you doing?
Caiden, say you start from 5 and go to 10. How many numbers you got? What? You start from 5 and you go to 10. How many numbers are there?
6.
Oh. Oh, I watched that.
Decent. Just crushing it still all day. It's been like this. Good eaters. Tate's got one. Caiden just caught one on Tate's rod as Tate's filming us.
Popped off.
Get this guy back. Let's keep fishing. And you just snagged him in the
Oh! Shook just ate him up! Attaboy! Attaboy.
Little guy.
There you go.
Got him? Attaboy. Oh, yeah. Nice walleye. Okay. Ooh, perfect.
A few moments later.
Alrighty guys, that is all we have for you today. It was a very successful day. Caught a few sturgeon, caught a lot of walleyes. Shank finally got his first sturgeon, but it's pretty exciting just to be back in the boat and out on the water and catching a few fish. So we'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.